check out a backward groove. Backward groove is one of the 4 main grooves that runs through hip hop dance. So backward groove, it can potentially be awkward. So I'm shot here. So I always face the side, so I say to students, look at themselves in the mirror so they can see what their shoulders do. On the beat, when the beat hits, your shoulders will be back, back. So if the beat is back, back. Okay, so first I'm going to do is put the weight in the heels. I want you to lean back so that you're, see, this is me weight center, this is me with my weight in my toes, center, and weight in the heels. So my toes come up a bit. I want you to keep leaning back a bit, and can you feel your stomach muscles tighten? Yeah? They just engage, right? Now, if I didn't bend my knees and I just went from here and just shoulders back, I can really feel it here. This is what it looks like without me bending the knees. Now, if I bend the knees, it's bigger, right? So I always say, imagine a plank of wood from shoulders to, through the hands to the knees. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put my hands like a stiff board. I put my weight in the heels, that helps me, back, back. See how from my knees to my shoulders is moving as one? Now, obviously, this is not the cool version. This is like a technique, the same as like you do ballet at the bar. Very bad example of ballet, but you know, when you're a ballerina, that's to the techniques. It's like building up the technique, so don't expect this to feel cool straight away. And I know some of you are laughing at me going, oh my God, that looks so uncool. Here, back, back. Now I take away the arms, back, 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 meaning see how my shoulders hit back? They do not go back, back. This is shoulders going up and down, and this is breaking here. So I want to be here. Again, I feel this instantly, so I don't fall over. This engages. It sort of feels like the top abs. Maybe it's down there, I can't feel them. There's some layers of fat there in the way. Back, 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 back. Yes, so I usually explain it in class like this, like I said, the stiff board, like that. If that doesn't work for you, like you can say all different things, it's just something that clicks. So I just thought recently that this is a different way of really putting the weight in the heels, leaning back from that, go starting from there, and then add the bent knee. So we usually do 8 on the back arm, you know, like a little, I know that wasn't 8, you know, so we go 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, from the front, bar, 2, 2, da, 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 da. When you get into something else like house, then it becomes a roll, it becomes more like a jack. They call it in-house. So, and then the tricks, so you two-stepping on the dance floor. So instead of this, arms up, your instant thing, bend the knees, and then backward groove, ba, 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 and you would, you know, swap it out. But there, now your 2 steps looking totally funky. You're welcome!